Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS Radeon RX 7800 XT and 7700 XT dual OC graphics card. So friend, ASUS announced the availability of two new graphics card for the domestic market. The ASUS Dual Radeon RX 7800 XT OC edition 16GB GDDR6 model number is Dual RX and 800 XT O16G and the ASUS Dual Radeon RX 7700 XT OC Edition 12GB GDDR6 model number is Dual RX 7700 XT O12G. Both model feature a robust dual fan cooling system utilizing axial tech fans with dual ball bearing designed for longevity and high performance, and the cooling system is part of the ASUS Dual series, which is characterized by its use of axial tech fans, and additional durability is provided by corrosion-resistant stainless steel bracket and an aluminum backplate to protect the circuit board. And friend, the Associal Radeon RX 7800 XT OC Edition 16GB DDR6 specification include 3840 stream processor, 2169 MHz game clock, and 2475 MHz boost clock. Memory speed is 19.5 Gbps. Memory burst with 256 bit GDDR6, 16GB video memory, 8-pin by 2 auxiliary power connectors, HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort 2.1 by 3 output interface. And the second ASUS Dual Radeon RX 7700 XT OC Edition 12GB GDDR6 specification include 3456 stream processor, 2226 MHz game clock, and 2584 MHz boost clock, 18 Gbps memory speed, 192-bit memory burst with GDDR6, 12GB video memory, 8-pin by 2 auxiliary power connectors, HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort 2.1 by 3 output interface. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, the estimated market selling price of Radeon RX 7800 XT approximately $589 and the second model price is RX 7700 XT $489. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.